It is a busy day for the officials from Department of Vigilance and Anti-Corruption as they are conducting raids in 6 different districts at 43 locations, all related to former health minister from AIADMK, Vijay Bhaskar's properties, claiming that there are possibilities of him involving in disproportionate asset accumulation. Now, as per the FIR given by DVAC officials, it states that from a checkpoint period of 2016 to 2021, when he was the health minister of Tamil Nadu, there is a kind of money that goes up to 27 crores, which does not have any records, and that's the reason they have initiated this particular search in Chennai, Kanchipuram, Coimbatore, Chengalpattu, and Tiruchi and Pudukkottai. And not just that, they claim that there are evidences stating that he has started a trust in the name of Mother Teresa, and 14 education institutions are below it, and they're trying to find out exactly where is this money, how it was accumulated, and was there a possibility of disproportionate asset involvement by the former minister. And though DVAC officials claim that they have hard evidence based on which they have named Vijay Bhaskar as accused 1 and his wife Ramya as accused 2, it is definitely taking a political turn. In fact, you could see former ministers from ADMK, SP Velumani and former Minister Thangamani from ADMK were also present at the location. They are trying to find out what exactly is happening. AIADMK so far is claiming that this is nothing but political vendetta, and that's the reason until now 4 ministers have been raided by DVAC. In fact, that's SP Velumani, the minister who was also recently underwent a raid by DVAC officials of disproportionate asset. The same thing is occurring with Vijay Bhaskar, who was the health minister of Tamil Nadu during the AIADMK regime. Everybody here are claiming that this is political vendetta. So this case that has been filed by DVAC and investigating, in fact, it started with MR Vijay Bhaskar, then it was SP Velumani, KC Veeramani, and currently Vijay Bhaskar, the health minister as well. So now that is definitely taking a political turn in Tamil Nadu, where AIADMK is claiming that this has nothing to do with disproportionate asset accumulation, but political vendetta. What DVAC officials are going to unearth and how they are going to bring forward the case is only going to give the answer to all these accusations. With videos Divyan, Pramod Madhav for India Today.